When you read magazines about investing, most of what they talk about is how to accumulate money, how to make, this stock is going to be the best stock, or this mutual fund is going to be the best growth fund. But if you think about your investment lifetime, you do have the biggest part of your life is the accumulation stage, where you're trying to build your nest egg for retirement. Once you become retired, and once you need to take that money you've accumulated and turn it into an income stream to fund your retirement, you definitely need a plan. The problem is that most people don't really know how to make that transition. I contend it's just like when you take a trip. You have a roadmap that tells you how to get from where you are to where you're going. And there's a lot out there on the accumulation stage. Now the question is, what do you do in the distribution stage? Well, I contend you need a plan for that too. You need a new roadmap, and it's going to be different than the roadmap you had before, because when you're young and you're accumulating money, if you make a mistake, there's a lot of ways that you can make up for that. You can save more, you can work longer, you can get an extra job to save more money for retirement. But once you're retired, if you make a mistake with that money, you have no way to replace those losses. And so it's very important that you have a strategy that is going to allow you to figure out, okay, I've got this much money, how am I going to get the money I need to live between now and the rest of my life? That is going to be increasingly important as the baby boomers begin to retire.